if you log in, that if you first register, then you can log in and just learning. If you click that button, learning, and Cyber Korean courses, Cyber Korean culture courses, and self-learning Korean courses. So I recommend self-learning Korean courses. It's just online teaching course. So then if you choose that, then introductory is just the Korean alphabet, learning Korean alphabet.
Okay.
Yeah, do you know that the Korean alphabet?
No.
No, okay.
No, that I
good.
can't even quite imagine.
Yes, it's very good for the beginner.
Okay.
Yeah. So introductory is the Sejong Korean introductory is more simple one. I recommend King Sejong Institute Korean Introduction. Then you are mute now.
Whoops. Okay. I'm
It's
not.
okay. Yeah. So if you select this one, and then you can the down, then there is no English, so view more. And then down, English one. So all kinds of the words. So they teaching. So English one, click, and I already apply this one. So if you click this one, then apply appear, then you can apply, then they accept, then you can learn this series. So this curriculum is, the first one is orientation and 일과, the basic vowel, the 이과, the lesson 2, basic consonant, and practice, like that. So yeah, so you can easily learn.
Okay.
So you go this is self-learning course.
Okay.